friends, I'm Emily. I'm an educator here at COSI, and today we are talking about animal furs. So these are all real animal furs. We have them on loan from the Ohio Department of Natural Resources. They were all once alive, but they all died of natural causes. So we are very lucky to have these, and we can use these to learn a little bit more about these animals. So they all have fur, which means they all have one thing in common. They are all mammals. So having fur is one way we can categorize a mammal. Now, these furs can be helpful in different ways to the animals. So one way an animal's fur can help it is it helps it hide. It helps it blend in. We call that camouflage. So if we look at my rabbit right here, you can see it's brown and gray. So if you were walking in the forest, it would probably be really hard to find this guy because he's blending in with the forest floor. And so animals that want to eat this rabbit would also have a really hard time finding him. So it helps him blend in and not get eaten. But other animals, their fur actually does the opposite. So looking at this guy, we all know what this is. Maybe we've smelled it before. It's a skunk. So our skunk, the fur doesn't really blend in. It doesn't camouflage. It has that bright white stripe right here. But its fur actually serves as a warning. So it only takes an animal being sprayed by a skunk once to know that black with a white stripe, I should stay far away from it. So a skunk's fur, because it stands out, actually helps it also not get eaten. So different animal furs help in different ways.